Welcome to Wig Studio One. My name is Christy. I'm wigging with Christy and one of the reviewers for the Wig Studio One team. Today's piece was sent to me in exchange for content. This is Siena wig by Belle Tress, Italian City Collection in the Milkshake Blonde R color. I've not had this color before and it is so pretty. Now I know why everyone loves this color. Definitely gives me that shaded biscuit vibes, that Palm Springs blonde vibes, the butterbeer blonde vibes. It is a phenomenal color. Definitely has those cool, neutral, also a little hints of warm blonde to them. It's very dimensional. As we know, Belle Tress makes these amazing different colors. All right, let me give you all the details you want to know. This has no permatease. It is, in my opinion, low medium density. It is very natural. That part on that left side, which it's a left monofilament part, is ready to wear. This is exactly how it is. I combed it forward and found my part, and this is it. And I love that. I love me a good mono part or mono top. This lace front is temple all the way here to here. Temple to temple lace front with that lighter color in the front, so we don't got any harsh knotting going on. It has some amazing layers in the front, and then it goes into long layers here in the front, and so the back has those long layers in it. Now this is a heat-friendly fiber. Now when this is in your face, you might feel like, hey Chrissy, I don't want it in my face. I understand. Use your Wig Studio One water bottle and spritz it. I kind of already did a little bit today, so I'm not wanting to get this too soaked. But what I usually do is I spritz it with water, and then I kind of go like this with my fibers and hold it still. And that will help train. Also, another method is heat pressing your hands, pressing on the fiber and away from the fiber. So make sure you get those hands nice and hot, and then you can press that and away. Now, if those two methods don't work for you, which those are my first two methods that I use, then you can apply heat and like a curling iron or other heat methods, okay? So those are just a little bit of tips if you're wanting Siena, but go, hey, I want that out of my face a little bit. There's some tips for you. Siena is that heat-friendly fiber, so you want to make sure that, as always with heat-friendly fiber, you're doing a heat-friendly fiber maintenance. We have some great videos on our channel on how to care for heat-friendly wigs. We do recommend only using up to 260-degree temperature. So what were your thoughts on Siena? We hope that you enjoyed this review and that you found it educational and purposeful. Down below, you can leave a comment, give us a thumbs up. If you expand the description box, you'll be able to see links directly to this wig, but also links of how to connect with us and our other social media accounts. There will also be a link to myself, Wiggin' with Christy, as well as links to the other reviewers. We'd love to connect with you, and we hope you have a great day. Bye.